Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure you don't have? Later you will just tell us that, Mom, I have sister here, I have the brother working here. We don't
No,
want
I
to
don't.
hear that one later. So just be honest, okay?
Yes, madam.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm accepted.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why did you choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I want to try in Malaysia.
You want to try in Malaysia. Can you
Yeah.
help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Venus Lope, 42 years old. I have daughter and single mom. I'm from Laguna and I'm working before in Dubai as a since 2014 to 2025.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. You are 42 years old. You are a single parent.
Yes, ma'am.
You have boyfriend right now?
No, I don't have.
When is your birthday?
March 24, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
5'1" and 65.
What is your religion?
Born again Christian.
What about your educational background?
I'm graduated in Laguna State Polytechnic College as a drafting.
Okay,
As a
okay. So you mentioned that you got one kid, which is 8 years old, and you are a single parent. Who will going to look after for this kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Ma'am, my daughter is already 16 years old, and I will I
16
will
years old, it's not
yeah,
8 years old, right?
no, not
Okay. So, who will going to look after her?
my mother and my brother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is selling spread like Yama spread,
Okay.
butter, and my brother is working in the construction worker.
Okay. How old is your mother?
65.
What about your father?
My father is already dead.
Okay. So, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brothers, but my one brother is living in our house, and my one brother is living in other house.
Okay. What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second?
Second,
Okay, so according to your profile and according to you, you have a working experience in Dubai for almost 1 decade, 10 years, is it? 14.
yes, ma'am.
So you work for 11 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? You've been there for almost a decade. Why suddenly change? Why you leave your employer just like that?
Because they don't need the helper na.
They don't need a helper.
Yeah. Because they go to the another country in London.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in Dubai?
I'm domestic helper. I
Okay.
cook, I clean, and taking care of the babies.
Okay, did you do the laundry and ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the baby or how many babies you take care?
Before when I go there for my first time there, when I go there, um, the baby is only 6 months.
6 months, newborn.
Yeah,
How one only?
two, ma- two
So two kids you take care. 6 months and
6 years old when I go there.
okay. So you it's not new for you to work as a domestic helper, okay? It is not new for you working as an OFW. You know that working as an OFW is quite hard. This is not an easy job. It is a very, very tough job. knowing that you need to clean the entire house and you need to take care of children also at the same time. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. It's not the same in Dubai. Okay? Houses here is quite big. There is no joke. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Dubai also. Yeah?
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, madam. No
Can you take
problem.
care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Because I,
cook?
yes, ma'am.
So you have experience on taking care of the elderly?
I'm naghang.
So do you have any working experience before on taking care of the elderly?
Yes, but only my grandmother.
Okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Sorry, ma'am?
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a 2 years contract, okay? You already knew it, huh? Because you have experience also.
Okay, ma'am.
You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your children or you miss your child and it's just you cannot handle your job anymore. No such a thing. Because you were going to sign a 2 years contract. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? So don't give us problem. You have a lot of choices. You can go other countries, Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go back in Dubai or in Middle East. But you choose to work here in Malaysia, okay? So we don't want later that you will give us problem, you have a plan to run away. You have a plan to run away.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? You come here in a legal way and you go back in a legal way also at the same time.
Yes.
Okay? So in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years and it is not us. We can help you only with your problem. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time. It means you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours. Yeah? Because you are working. You can hold it during nighttime only. So you need to manage your time so that you can finish faster and you can hold your phone faster at the same time. Okay? You can use it during nighttime only and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. We are no go out policy here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We are no go out policy. If you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. Okay? You are the one who decided to come and work here. If you don't want with our rules and regulations, it's fine. As long as you won't give us problem. If you agree, you work properly, then we don't have any problem. If you disagree, then maybe you could stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah? We need to humble ourselves at the same time because we are a foreigner here. Okay? So, just a matter of respect with each other. Yeah? Normally, of course, you've been in Dubai for 1 decade. Normally, how do you fight your homesickness?
Sorry, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
And I don't have um my homesickness, ma'am.
Yes, how do you fight your homesickness? What do you do? What did you do if you miss your child or you miss your family?
I'm busy with the daughter of my employer, ma'am. We go outside and then I teach them and then we go to the play area.
No, I mean ate, how do you fight your homesickness? homesick. If you homesickness, how do you handle it? Like if you are sad, if you miss your family, normally what do you do?
I'm focusing with my work, ma'am.
Focusing with your work. Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.